Did you know that coffee has been used as a natural hair dye for centuries? It's a great way to darken light hair and give darker hair a rich shine without using harsh chemicals. If you love coffee and want a safe, chemical-free way to color your hair, this method is worth trying. Why choose coffee for hair dyeing? Traditional hair dyes contain over 5,000 different chemicals, many of which have been linked to health risks, including cancer, according to the National Cancer Institute. In contrast, coffee is a completely natural alternative that not only avoids harmful chemicals, but also nourishes and strengthens your hair. Using coffee as a hair dye is gentle and free from damage, though it may not last as long as synthetic dyes. However, the benefits are worth it. Your hair will develop a rich, healthy shine while avoiding exposure to harsh ingredients. Additionally, a 2007 study published in the International Journal of Dermatology suggests that caffeine can help promote hair growth. How to use coffee as a hair dye. Method 1. Coffee hair mask for deep color. To achieve a deep chocolate hue, follow these steps. Brew strong organic coffee, preferably espresso. Non-organic coffee may contain unwanted additives. Let it cool completely. Mix 2 cups of an all-natural leave-in conditioner, 2 tablespoons of organic coffee grounds, 1 cup of cooled brewed coffee. Apply the mixture to your hair, making sure to coat every strand. Leave it on for about an hour, then rinse thoroughly. This method provides a beautiful, chemical-free color boost with added shine. Method 2. Simple coffee rinse for a subtle effect. If you prefer a quick and easy approach, try a coffee rinse. Shampoo your hair as usual. Pour cooled coffee over your hair, ensuring even coverage. Let it sit for 20 minutes. Rinse with apple cider vinegar, then wash it out with warm water. For best results, repeat the process for a few days to allow the coffee to fully penetrate your hair strands. Here are a few people who tried coffee as a hair dye and loved the results. Paula, 32 years old hairstylist. She tried coffee dye on her brown hair and noticed a richer, shinier color after 4 applications. Now, she recommends it to clients who prefer natural hair care. Brian, 40 years old business professional. He used coffee rinses every other day for 2 weeks and saw his gray hairs blend naturally with his dark brown color. Elizabeth, 22 years college student. She had a sensitive scalp and found that a coffee hair mask helped her hair color while also reducing dandruff. What are the major benefits of dyeing hair with coffee? Dyeing your hair with coffee is a natural way to enhance your hair color while keeping it healthy. One of its key benefits is that it darkens hair naturally, making it perfect for covering gray hairs and deepening brown tones. Unlike chemical dyes, coffee does not damage the hair shaft, but instead nourishes it with antioxidants. Additionally, the caffeine in coffee stimulates hair follicles, which can help promote hair growth and reduce hair loss. Coffee also acts as a natural conditioner, helping to add shine and softness to the hair, leaving it looking more vibrant. Another advantage is its exfoliating properties, which help reduce dandruff by removing dead skin cells and scalp buildup. Unlike synthetic dyes that weaken hair over time, coffee strengthens hair strands, making them more resilient. By choosing coffee as a hair dye, you not only achieve a beautiful natural color, but also improve the overall health of your hair. Using coffee as a hair dye is an easy, safe, and natural way to enhance your hair color while improving its health. Many people have seen amazing results, and you can too. Try it out and share your experience. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends and subscribe for more natural beauty tips.